Hey everyone, looking for a way to keep your floors spotless without lifting a finger? Well, you're in luck. Today, we're diving into the top 10 best robot vacuums on Amazon, and trust me, some of these options have features you'll definitely want to check out, from advanced navigation to self-emptying bins. Be sure to stick around till the end, because I've saved a vacuum with a unique feature that might just make it the ultimate cleaning companion. And to make things easy, I've included links to each of these vacuums in the description below, so you can check them out anytime. If you're serious about staying updated with the best in smart home tech, don't forget to subscribe and hit the bell icon so you won't miss our latest reviews. Alright, let's jump in and find the perfect robot vacuum to keep your home sparkling clean. Number 10, iRobot Roomba 694. Kicking off our list at number 10 is the iRobot Roomba 694. Picture this, it's a busy Monday morning, and you're rushing to get out the door for work. You glance around your living room and see crumbs from last night's snacks scattered on the floor. No time to vacuum? No problem. You grab your phone, tap the iRobot app, and send the Roomba on its way. As you drive to work, you can relax knowing that this little robot is busy lifting dirt and dust with its 3-stage cleaning system. When you come home, your floors are spotless, and you can finally kick back and enjoy your evening. Number 9, Ecovacs DBOT N79S. At number 9, we have the Ecovacs DBOT N79S. Imagine this, it's a rainy Saturday afternoon, and you're curled up on the couch with a good book. The last thing you want to do is clean, but you also don't want to live in a mess. With the DBOT N79S, you can simply press a button on your phone or use voice commands through Alexa or Google Assistant. It springs into action, gliding across your floors and picking up dirt and debris as it goes. You can even set it to clean while you're out running errands. When you return, your home feels fresh and inviting. Number 8, NeoBotvac D7 Connected. Coming in at number 8 is the impressive NeoBotvac D7 Connected. Picture yourself hosting a dinner party. Friends are arriving soon, and you want everything to be perfect. With its laser mapping technology, this robot vacuum creates an accurate map of your home and knows exactly where to go, no missed spots here. You can even set no-go zones in the app to keep it away from delicate items or areas where it might get stuck. As it cleans efficiently around your furniture, you can focus on preparing snacks for your guests without worrying about messy floors. Number 7, Roero S5 Max. At number 7 is the versatile Roero S5 Max. Imagine this. It's been a long week, and your floors are starting to look like a disaster zone with pet hair and crumbs everywhere. You want a vacuum that can handle both vacuuming and mopping without any fuss. Enter the Roero S5 Max. With its intelligent mopping system that uses precision water control, it not only vacuums but also leaves your floors sparkling clean. You can set it to clean while you're out running errands or enjoying some downtime. When you return, everything looks immaculate. Number 6, Shark IQ Robot Vacuum. Sliding into number 6 is the clever Shark IQ Robot Vacuum. Picture this, it's Sunday morning, and you're enjoying a leisurely brunch when suddenly you remember that you forgot to vacuum before guests arrive later in the day. No worries. With the Shark IQ, you can schedule cleanings right from your phone or use voice commands through Alexa or Google Assistant. And here's the kicker, it has a self-emptying base that holds up to 30 days of dirt. You can enjoy your brunch without any stress about cleaning up later. Number 5, iRobot Roomba i3 Plus. Claiming our 5th spot is the smart iRobot Roomba i3 Plus. Imagine coming home after a long day at work, you're exhausted but still want a clean house. With this robot vacuum, all you have to do is press a button or use the app to start cleaning, and it empties its own bin into an enclosed bag that traps dust and allergens. You walk in to find spotless floors without having lifted a finger all day long. It's like having a personal cleaning assistant who takes care of everything while you focus on what really matters. Number 4, DreamBot L10 Pro. At number 4 is the powerful DreamBot L10 Pro. Picture yourself enjoying a quiet evening while this robot quietly goes about its business of cleaning your home. With an impressive suction power of up to 4,000 pascals, it tackles dirt and debris like a champ. The L10 Pro features both vacuuming and mopping capabilities, making it incredibly versatile for all floor types. As it glides seamlessly across your floors, you can relax knowing that every corner is being cleaned thoroughly. Number 3. Ecovacs DBOT T8 AIVI. At number 3 is the advanced Ecovacs DBOT T8 AIVI. Imagine having a robot vacuum that not only cleans but also recognizes objects in its path. With AIVI technology, this vacuum identifies obstacles like shoes or pet bowls and navigates around them without getting stuck. It even has an integrated camera for remote monitoring, so if you're at work and want to check in on things at home, just pull up the app. This dual functionality makes it perfect for busy households where every minute counts. Number 2. Roero S6 Max V. Almost at the top. At number 2 is the incredible Roero S6 Max V. Picture this. It's late afternoon on a weekend, and you decide it's time to clean up before guests arrive later in the evening. The S6 Max V uses dual cameras for advanced obstacle avoidance, no more getting stuck on furniture or tripping over toys. Plus, with powerful suction and mopping capabilities, it leaves floors sparkling clean without any effort on your part. Number 1. iRobot Roomba J7 Plus. And finally, taking our top spot at number 1 is none other than the remarkable iRobot Roomba J7 Plus. Imagine having a robot vacuum that not only cleans but also avoids messes like pet accidents or cables on the floor. This one does just that. With its advanced navigation system and smart mapping capabilities, it learns your home layout over time and cleans efficiently while avoiding obstacles. Plus, its self-emptying base means less maintenance for you, just set it and forget it. And that wraps up our list of the top 10 robot vacuums on Amazon. Whether you're looking for powerful suction, smart navigation, or a self-emptying feature, there's definitely a vacuum here to fit your cleaning style. If this video helped you find your perfect match, give it a thumbs up, it really supports the channel. And don't forget, all the links to these robot vacuums are in the description below, so you can check them out anytime. If you're new here, make sure to subscribe and tap the bell icon to stay in the loop with our latest reviews and recommendations for smart home tech. Thanks for watching, and I'll catch you in the next video.